Mental health awareness has skyrocketed over the last couple of years thanks to the pandemic, which is perfect as this month is dedicated to making sure we are all that is in a good mental place. Here to discuss more about this month is Andrea Kovarik. She's with the Nueces Center for Mental Health and Intellectual Disabilities. Good morning to you, Andrea. Thank you so much for being with us. Where should we begin this conversation? Because you hear a lot about stigmas that are out there. You hear a lot about people that are just simply looking for resources. Where do you see this conversation should start?
Well, I think just having the awareness on there, having us all in such an important time this year, just getting the awareness out, I think really focusing on the statistics that we're seeing. I mean, we have 1 in 5 people in the US who are experiencing a mental health diagnosis. And a lot of times, too, can lead to addiction issues. And so, really, I think the way that we get ahead of this is we focus on doing a lot of preventative measures, a lot of community education, which is a big driver of MHID services through our mental health first aid program, where we offer classes. And in fact, this month, offering a free class on the 6th to help educate people on signs, symptoms to be aware of. Always catching it early is going to be the best way to prevent things from seeing what we're seeing now, where we have, the second leading cause of death for some of our youth between the ages of 15 and 19 being suicide. And so these are things I think if we can get ahead of and get the awareness out there and what signs, symptoms to look for, we can really help make an impact in those numbers and help decrease that.
Well, Andrea, I know the city just recently allocated $65,000 to help y'all with your programs, and that's great. People see that, they see that news, but what does it take for somebody who's thinking, I know something's wrong, but I just don't know how to start that conversation. I might be embarrassed, or I'm afraid of what my family or my friends might say.
Exactly. And I think education's a big part in knowing how common mental health disorders are within our nation and really just reaching out. You can call MHID. We have a 24-hour crisis hotline. It's for family members. It could be if you feel like you're unsure if you're having symptoms, you can call our main line. We offer free screenings to identify if you do have a mental disorder or symptoms of a disorder, and what the best fit for treatment might be for you, whether it be with us or somebody else in the community. And like you said, there has been a lot of money and donated toward mental health, and the county and the city have really been driving factors in making sure that we're addressing these issues and helping to prevent, the overflow in the jails with mental health and doing those pre-arrest diversions with our crisis intervention team has really helped a lot because 911 would take a brunt of those calls and not just the crisis hotline. So having, I think, everyone come together, and the main message this year is together for mental health. And I really feel like that's what our community is doing. We have a lot of different agencies coming together to really address the mental health needs of our county.
Andrea, there's so much to break down here, and I'm so glad you are joining us this morning, and we are lucky to have you this morning through the next half hour where you will be talking with Barbie and again getting those conversations going, breaking down those stigmas, and we'll have those phone numbers and the websites that you gave us on our website at KIIITV.com. Thank you so much. We'll be seeing you in about 30 minutes.